In this video we are going to see how to setting up the project basis. So let's begin. So create a folder. Let's have the folder called scripts. Okay, and then next we have one more folder, prefabs, and then one more folder called images. Okay, so in order to make everything in proper structure, we are creating a folder, and we already have scenes. So let's rename the scenes as game scene. Okay, and hit reload. So next you can import the file which has been given in this description. Okay, import that. So once you've done the import, you can be able to see all the files which has been sorted in the image folder under file sections, bg, props, everything. So that's it. So in the next video we'll see how to setting up the camera and game control system. Thank you.